Good morning, class. Today I'll start with the next 11.2. It is advertising. It is very easy, you know very well the meaning of advertising. Advertising is when you want to increase your sale or you need to provide information about your new product, or if you have any modification in your product, so you want to aware your customer about your product. The customer, those who are using your product, they are called the present customer, and some are called the potential customer. Potential customer are those who just by watching your advertisement they will create an interest in purchasing your product in future, so they are called the potential customer. So with the help of advertisement you may communicate with lots of people at a time, means mass communication can be possible with this advertisement. And you will do advertisement by using different kinds of media, TV channels, newspaper, magazines, so many kinds. So we have the definition. Advertisement is any form of paid non-personal presentation of ideas, goods and services for the purpose of inducing people to buy. Advertisement is a paid form because you have to pay money for advertisement, and in this advertisement the customer and the producer who is doing advertisement, they are not in contact with each other, so it is impersonal. And you are आई जस्ट कैन से कि आप यहाँ पर कस्टमर को आपके प्रोडक्ट को परचेज करने के लिए इंस्पायर करते हो विद द हेल्प ऑफ सच एडवर्टीजमेंट. नेक्स्ट वी हैव सम फीचर्स. फर्स्ट इज पेड फॉर्म. एज आई सेड, एडवर्टीजमेंट एक पेड फॉर्म होती है क्योंकि एडवर्टीजमेंट करने के लिए बिजनेसमैन को मनी स्पेंड करनी पड़ती है. डिपेंड्स ऑन द काइंड ऑफ एडवर्टीजमेंट. आप न्यूज़पेपर में दे रहे हो तो कम पैसे लगेंगे, मैगजीन्स में दे रहे हो तो उससे ज़्यादा लगेंगे, एंड इफ़ यू आर शोइंग योर प्रोडक्ट ऑन टीवी तो ऑब्वियसली ह्यूज मनी यू नीड फॉर द एडवर्टीजमेंट पर्पस. So it is a paid form. Impersonal presentation. As I said, there is no contact between the advertiser and the consumer. They are not in personal contact, so it is non-personal. Speedy and mass communication. Very speedily you can spread your message to so many people with the help of this advertisement. Identified sponsors. Another feature of advertisement is that the sponsors can be identified. You can, with the help of this advertisement across the country also, you sell your product, your goods and services with the help of such advertisement, and different sponsors, they will sponsor your product, and it is easy for you to advertise your product with the help of this sponsorship. Only this topic is there in this chapter. Next I'll start with the next one, sales promotion and the public selling. Sales promotion, दिस इज़ अनदर मोड ऑफ प्रमोशन मिक्स. ये जो अभी हमने किया एडवर्टीजमेंट, सेल्स प्रमोशन या पर्सनल सेलिंग, दे ऑल आर द प्रमोशनल टूल्स या प्रमोशन मिक्स टूल्स. सेल्स प्रमोशन मीन्स कि कंपनी अपनी सेल्स को इंक्रीज करने के लिए अदर देन एडवर्टीजमेंट जो भी स्कीम्स लॉन्च करती है, दे आर द पार्ट ऑफ सेल्स प्रमोशन. स्कीम्स लाइक बाय टू गेट वन फ्री, some coupons will be there, some traveling allowances will be there, cashback की schemes, कुछ इस तरह की स्कीम जो अदर दैन एडवर्टीजमेंट होती है, दे ऑल आर द पार्ट ऑफ सेल्स प्रमोशन. तो सेल्स प्रमोशन बेसिकली कंपनी अपनी सेल्स इंक्रीज करने के लिए करती है. कस्टमर को डिस्काउंट देना, रिबेट देना, कूपन्स देना, कुछ सैम्पल गिफ्ट्स फ्री में देना, आप कोई भी प्रोडक्ट परचेज करते हो उसके साथ दूसरा प्रोडक्ट फ्री में देना. सो ऑल दीज आर द मेथड्स ऑफ सेल्स प्रमोशन. नेक्स्ट वी हैव द पब्लिक रिलेशन. Public relation is another mode of marketing. In public relation, it is compulsory for a businessman to create its image in market या among the general public इस तरह की बनाना, so that it's a positive sign for the businessman. मतलब पब्लिक के टुवर्ड्स अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फुलफिल करके एक बिजनेसमैन अपनी एक ऐसी इमेज मार्केट में बनाता है जिससे उसको पॉजिटिव रिप्रेजेंटेशन होती है. So he has to make his image in front of the customer, intermediary, shareholder, suppliers, employees and the community. So he has to make his image good in front of the different sections of the society. So it is the duty of the businessman to create good public relation with the different sections of the society. Now the features of this public relation. Securing cooperation of public. Obviously for the public you need the cooperation of the general public, because without the cooperation of the general public an organization cannot run successfully. Successful relation with the public. It is important for the businessman to conduct successful relation with the general public, so he has to create good relation with the general public. Satisfying different groups. As I said, consumer, supplier, intermediaries, employees, सभी को उसके साथ satisfy करना एक businessman के लिए ज़रूरी है, उनकी expectations को fulfill करना. Engaging in dialogues. Dialogues is exchanging of ideas. So with the help of public relation, you can exchange your thoughts, your idea with customers, suppliers, employees, etc. ऑनगोइंग एक्टिविटी, इट इज़ एन ऑनगोइंग एक्टिविटी, जैसे आपका बिजनेस रन करता है, ये चलती रहती है. Specialized activity, this is a special kind of activity that can be performed by the businessman. Now some tools are to be used. अब आप पब्लिक के साथ रिलेशन कैसे बनाएंगे? ऑब्वियसली न्यूज़पेपर्स के थ्रू हम पब्लिक के साथ गुड रिलेशन क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. यू विल कंडक्ट डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ इवेंट, प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस, सेरेमनीज with the general public or with other sections of the society. It may be the customers or your suppliers. प्रिंटेड मटेरियल, आप अपनी मैगजीन्स, एनुअल रिपोर्ट्स, आर्टिकल पब्लिश करके सब स्पेंड कर सकते हैं. स्पीचेस, by conducting different kinds of speeches with the different sections, you will create your good relation. And the last is public service activity. With the help of public relation, you can create your image good in the market, and you just maintain good responsibility by opening parks, religious places and other public places. So these are the different kinds of activities by the public relation. This unit is complete here. I hope this unit is easy for you to understand. Watch the video and read out the chapter carefully. Thank you so much.